Okay.
Dami yung pili mo kagabi.
We're now done. Okay, I'm kind of low health. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put my useless stuff here. Because it's like golden swords. Okay, I'm low at health and I'm low at hunger.
Tamayo. Kung sa kanilang mawala,
Let's see.
kung sakali bang mawala,
Here.
di ka na din binababa.
Every time I'm hungry, I'm gonna have 7 pieces of those.
Yun nag-exercise siya. Head.
I think I should stock up on wood. I'm gonna use for fuel.
Gamit pa ni Bella yung mga higaw-higaw na yung video sa maliliit. Ay, diyan ka magtaka. Ano? Asang ito o pag-iulitas niya pag
Uy.
nasa
Maybe Joker.
ganito. Dalaga naman na yan. Babadotog na tao pag simangot.
Okay. And this.
Sakali bang mawala,
I'm not trying to beat the game, just survive 100 days. We're at day 3 because it's part 3. Actually, no, it's part 4, so it's day 4.
Hindi ito ano, hindi ito photo basis. Maganda sa personal. Personal din ako makita. Jordan, di pag sa picture, ano iba? Parang ang tanda. Sa personal.
There you go. Little kitty. You can have cheeseburger. Okay.
Gwapo na nasa salamin sa kanan. Oo. Ayun, tumingin ka dito, oh. Bruno Mars.
Ayan. Sing.
Mali sa papa.
You won't fall.
Lalong. Bilig na bilig si Kuya Joy.
Oh my
Para pilit ako ng isa.
Don't tell me that.
Ano mga kata? Nag-remember mo. Ano ba? Ayaw ko. Remember me. Di sana makikita niyo ako.
Uy! Where is Skibidi toilet?
Yung litana mo pag ano yun. Oh, baga mabig. Dati alam mo ilagay ka ng cellphone sa ano, tingnan mo kahit nabibilit yung
Oh
kotse.
my
Ang
gosh.
kapit pa din, no? Sabi ni Jordan, bakit pinagmalaki nga nila ako?
Skibidi toilet.
Yung buwan na yun eh.
Just to use for food so they just can use my
Japan ba? Japan feels.
so sweet. That quarantine zone. There's 4 of you left? I thought there was 5. A cobblestone. Look at the floods. There you go, passageway. So I can travel faster. That's not enough.
Sit lang na. Good job!
Okay, maybe we can break blocks. Okay? So it's just gonna pile it up, but if it explodes, boom boom, it's okay.
Swing, swing, swing!
Okay. We got like that. These guys, like 7. Got like 8 escaping from me. How do I escape though? Yes. Cobblestone will go.
Galing ni George, ano, Mami, ano tayo, iwak namin si Berta Pingo sa oras. Alasing, wow, isang oras pa lang pala. Tapos sabi ni Jordan, dapo, immortal talaga si Jordan. Lutang ang ulo mo. Akala ko siguro naka-9 na siguro, naka-4 na oras na pagpay.
Kailan mo kayo pa nauwi po?
Squatting na kami dumating.
There you go. Seems new. Cowie. Slay. I slay you. Phew. One shot. Whew. Just give up, Rainbow. Huh? Somebody didn't fall there. Because if I dig up, I won't have enough blocks. So yeah.
Princess.
Deep under the sea. Wow, sino kaya nautot? Si Ivy. Like, clutch. Okay, but what if you don't need a support? Actually, you need it. So, if you need it,